Hi there, travelers. Prepare yourself for an incredible adventure as we delve into the top 25 destinations in Africa today. Put on your seatbelts and join us as we discover the thrill, beauty, and culture that this amazing continent has to offer. Let's go. Number 25, Kenya's Masai Mara. Starting at position 25, we have the magnificent Masai Mara in Kenya to kick off our African adventure. With its expansive savannas and remarkable biodiversity, this wildlife haven is a photographer's paradise. Prepare yourself for an unparalleled safari experience as you take in the wonders of the animal kingdom in their own environment. Number 24, Ghana's Cape Coast. Ghana's historic Cape Coast comes in at number 24. Take in the stories of the transatlantic slave trade as you immerse yourself in the rich history of the Cape Coast Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Discover the lively local way of life and sense this seaside treasure's pulse. Number 23, Tanzania's Serengeti National Park. Tanzania's renowned Serengeti National Park comes in at number 23. Get ready for an amazing wildlife show when you witness the zebra and wildebeest migration each year. For those who enjoy the outdoors and want to go on a real African safari, the Serengeti is a heaven. Number 22, Morocco's Marrakech. The charming Moroccan city of Marrakech makes its imprint at number 22. Enjoy the tastes of Moroccan food, get lost in the colorful souks, and be amazed by the Medina's elaborate architecture. Marrakech offers a remarkable cultural experience and is a sensory feast. Number 21, Zimbabwe's Victoria Falls. The breathtaking Victoria Falls, which span the boundary between Zimbabwe and Zambia, takes the 21st place. Experience the smoke that thunders and take in the sight of one of the world's biggest waterfalls. Get ready for an amazing demonstration of the power and beauty of nature. Number 20, South Africa's Table Mountain. South Africa's famous Table Mountain comes in at number 20 for expansive views of Cape Town and the surrounding coastline. Ascend to the summit via cable car or hiking. Adventurers looking for breathtaking views and a little excitement should definitely visit Table Mountain. Number 19, Tanzania's Zanzibar. The fascinating Tanzanian archipelago of Zanzibar sails into position 19. With its lively spice shops, white sand beaches, and stone town, Zanzibar provides the ideal combination of leisure and cultural discovery. Prepare to be mesmerized by this idyllic tropical setting. Number 18, Egypt's Giza Pyramids. The ancient Egyptian wonder, the Pyramids of Giza, breaks into the top 20. Admire the Great Pyramid, which is a reminder of the Egyptians' inventiveness. Discover the mystery behind this magnificent piece of archaeological work by investigating the Sphinx. Number 17, Morocco's Jemaa El Fna. The bustling Jemaa El Fna Square in Marrakech, Morocco, is located at number 17. Street entertainers, colorful kiosks, and the heady scents of Moroccan food fill this lively square. The center of Marrakech's cultural scene is Jemaa El Fna. Number 16, Botswana's Okavango Delta. Botting into the Sweet 16 is Botswana's breathtaking Okavango Delta. With its unique water-based safari experience, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a wildlife enthusiast's dream come true. Discover the varied flora and wildlife of this pristine ecosystem by meandering among the flowing waters. Number 15, Tanzania's Mount Kilimanjaro. The magnificent Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is ranked number 15. The highest mountain in Africa, Kilimanjaro, invites adventurers to reach its summit. Experienced climbers or those looking for a new challenge can both enjoy an amazing walk up the snow-capped mountain. Number 14, Namibia's Sossusvlei. Sossusvlei in Namibia, an alien scene, soars into the 14th position. Admire the soaring crimson sand dunes and bizarre scenery that turn this area into a photographer's dream. Dune 45 sunrise is a breathtaking sight that you simply must witness. Number 13, Ethiopia's Lalibela. The historic rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, Ethiopia, are located at number 13. These architectural marvels, which are carved from solid rock, highlight Ethiopia's rich religious and cultural legacy. Discover the ethereal splendor of Lalibela by exploring the underground passageways. Number 12, Malawi's Lake Malawi. Locating in Malawi, the tranquil Lake Malawi holds the 12th position. Lake Malawi is a hidden treasure for those who enjoy the water because of its beautiful beaches, varied marine life, and crystal clear waters. Take in this African Great Lakes' serene beauty. Number 11. Mozambique's Bazaruto Archipelago. The Bazaruto Archipelago in Mozambique is a tropical paradise that makes it into the top 11. This archipelago is a paradise for snorkelers, divers, and anyone looking for a tranquil island getaway because of its turquoise waters, immaculate coral reefs, and white sand beaches. Number 10. Morocco's Atlas Mountains. The magnificent Atlas Mountains of Morocco make an appearance in our top 10. The Atlas Mountains are a paradise for hikers and environment lovers, providing beautiful scenery, authentic Berber settlements, and an opportunity to get away from the rush of city life. 9. Mali's Timbuktu. The fabled Malian city of Timbuktu takes 9th place. Take in the history of this historic trading center, renowned for its vivacious marketplaces and architecture inspired by Islam. A UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports you back in time is Timbuktu. Number 8. South Africa's Drakensberg Mountains. The breathtaking Drakensberg Mountains in South Africa soar into 8th place. Hikers, nature enthusiasts, and adventure seekers will find the Drakensberg to be a natural playground with its striking peaks, verdant valleys, and prehistoric rock art. Number 7. Namibia's Namib Desert. The captivating Namib Desert in Namibia is located at position 7th. The Namib is a photographer's paradise and a bizarre scenery that captures the imagination. It is home to the famous red dunes of Sossusvlei. Prepare to discover the ethereal splendor of the planet's oldest desert. Number 6. Kenya, Ethiopia's Rift Valley. The breathtaking Rift Valley, which spans Ethiopia and Kenya, cracks the top 6. This natural marvel is peppered with beautiful lakes, craters formed by volcanic eruptions, and a variety of habitats. Discover the mysteries of the Rift Valley and the splendors of Lake Bogoria and Lake Nakuru. Number 5. South Africa's Blyde River Canyon. South Africa's magnificent Blyde River Canyon takes 5th place, a natural treasure that encourages exploration and breathtaking views. This canyon is well known for its towering cliffs, verdant foliage, and the famous 3 rondavels. Number 4. South Africa's Victoria and Alfred Waterfront. The bustling Victoria and Alfred Waterfront in Cape Town, South Africa, is located at number 4. This waterfront district, which is a center for dining, shopping, and entertainment, has a vibrant environment with breathtaking views of Table Mountain. Prepare to be enchanted by Cape Town's beachfront splendor. Number 3. Tanzania's Ngorongoro Crater. The amazing Ngorongoro Crater in Tanzania takes 3rd place with bronze. This natural amphitheater, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a wildlife haven. See the stunning crater bottom, which is home to a wide variety of creatures in their natural environment. Number 2. Meroe, Sudan's Pyramids. The pyramids of Meroe in Sudan, an ancient wonder, come in 2nd place. These remarkably intact pyramids bear witness to the illustrious past of the Kingdom of Kush. Take a look at Meroe's archaeological treasures and travel back in time to a prehistoric African civilization. 1st place, Kenya's Masai Mara National Reserve. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for? The fabled Masai Mara National Reserve in Kenya takes the top slot. The Masai Mara provides an unparalleled safari experience, being the home of the Great Migration and a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Prepare to see the circle of life in one of the most famous and beautiful settings in Africa. There you have it, my fellow explorers. The top 25 destinations in Africa is the conclusion. Africa has everything one might want, including breathtaking scenery, wildlife encounters, and cultural immersion. Thank you for traveling with us on this incredible adventure. Until we meet again, happy exploring.